My name is Alex. I am 35 years old. I live in the Sahara. The Sahara is hot. The Sahara is dry. The Sahara is hard. I have a small family. We are poor. We have little food. We have little water, but we have love. Every morning I wake up early. The sun is strong. The sand is hot. I look at my family. I see their faces. I see their hope. I say to myself, I must fight for them. I walk far to find water. I carry a big jar. My feet burn in the sand. My back hurts, but I keep walking. I think of my children. I think of my wife. I think of their smiles. This gives me power. Sometimes I find water. Sometimes I find nothing. When I find water, I am happy. I bring it home. My family drinks. We cook. We live another day. When I find nothing, I feel sad. But I do not stop. I try again tomorrow. I say, hope is my friend. Life in the Sahara is hard. The wind is strong. The sand moves. The sun burns. But I stand tall. I fight every day. My wife is kind. She cooks with little food. She makes bread. She makes tea. She smiles at me. Her smile is my light. My children are small. They play in the sand. They laugh. They run. They do not know hunger. I hide my pain. I show them joy. I want them to feel safe. At night, I sit outside. I look at the stars. The sky is big. The stars are bright. I feel small, but I feel strong. I say, tomorrow I will fight again. One day the wind was strong. The sand covered our house. We could not see. We could not breathe. I held my children close. I told them, do not fear. We waited. The storm passed. We were safe. Another day, we had no food. My children cried. My wife cried. I walked far. I looked for work. I found a farmer. He gave me bread. He gave me milk. I thanked him. I ran home. My family ate. They smiled again. I know life is hard. I know we are poor, but I believe in hope. Hope is my water. Hope is my food. Hope is my strength. I tell my children, do not give up. The Sahara is strong, but we are stronger. They listen. They smile. They believe me. This is my life in the Sahara. This is my fight. This is my love. I am Alex. I am 35 years old. I live in the Sahara. I am poor, but I am rich in hope.
I fight for my family. I never stop. The sun rises again. The Sahara is hot. The air is dry. I wake up. I look at my family. I say, today I will fight again. I walk far. I look for work. I see a farmer. He needs help. I carry water. I carry wood. I work all day. My hands hurt. My back hurts. But I do not stop. The farmer gives me bread. He gives me milk. I thanked him. I ran home. My family ate. They smiled again.
At night, I sit with my children. I tell them stories. I say, life is hard, but we are strong. We must fight. We must hope. My children listen. They smile. They believe me. They say, we will be strong like you. I feel proud. I feel happy. I know they will grow brave. Sometimes I dream. I dream of rain. I dream of green trees. I dream of full plates. I dream of happy faces. I tell my wife, one day we will have more. One day we will live better. She smiles. She believes me. Her smile is my light. One day I walk far. I look for water. The sun is strong. The sand burns. I feel weak. I want to stop, but I think of my family. I say, I must go on. I walk more. I find a small well. I see water. I cry with joy. I fill my jar. I run home. My family drinks. We live another day. Hope is my friend. Hope is my food. Hope is my water. Hope is my strength. I tell my children, never give up. The Sahara is strong, but we are stronger. They laugh, they play, they believe me. I feel proud. This is my life. This is my fight. This is my love. I am Alex. I am 35 years old. I live in the Sahara. I am poor, but I am rich in hope. I fight for my family. I never stop. Remember, hope is strong. Love is strong. Family is strong. This was Good Talks. If you enjoyed this story, please share it. Please like it. Please subscribe. More stories are coming. Stories of courage. Stories of hope. Stories that make your heart warm. See you next time.